What's up, guys? Ali back at Knowledge Fest with the newest products from Metra. We got Shay to go over the newest stuff that's going to change the world. What you got, Shay?
How you doing? This is, of course, the big news we had at SEMA was our collaboration with Vibe Audio out of the UK. So we've now brought to market some audio kits that are all plug and play, one SKU for you business owners, one SKU, order one part, everything comes in one kit. So let's talk about the kits. First, let's talk about our GM kit. So this is our GM PPKT-1. This is for your Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra trucks 19 to 25. We actually did 25 in the shop. We've confirmed fitment. So what you're going to get in the kit, you're going to get all the parts and pieces that Metra's known for, all of our speaker plates, all of our speaker harnesses, and then what we're with Vibe Audio, we've added our speaker kit. So we've got our 2 3/4 speakers up top. We have our 6x9s for the front doors, our 6.5s for the back, a custom built enclosure, single 10 ported down to 36 hertz. It's a great system. And what's also great is, once again, everything's plug and play. So we have this CNC made amp rack with all the portions marked out for where everything needs to go. You're gonna get your 2 Vibe 4-channel amplifiers, a very special Access DSP, the ETH1 that you've seen and you've probably used in some of these Bose bypass systems. But this is special because this DSP is gonna be already tuned to the truck. So all you do is get it out of the box, you figure out which one harness is going to be based on the year brake, plug it in, and it's already good to go. Something also different about this DSP harness, where you've seen the other style, you always had just the RCA ends coming off. This RCA set's actually kind of cut to length already, so it's an easy plug and play, everything across the board, all the wiring you need, all the speaker harness, the speaker wires are labeled out, what channel they need to go to on the amplifier. It's all super plug and play. So that's for your GM, Chevy, and Silverado trucks. So now we've got one of my favorites, the Jeep. So over here, we've got 2 Jeep kits, technically 4 Jeep kits, because we have our 24 amplified, non-amplified, and our 18.5 to 23 amplified and non-amplified. So looking at the JP PPKT-1 for our non-amplified system, and our JP PPKT-2 for our amplified system. When it comes to the equipment, everything's the same in both kits. What changes is if it's amplified or non-amplified. If it's non-amplified, the PPKT-1 is going to give you this T-harness like we're known for, and it's basically going to come down to this high-level harness. Now, with our partnership with Vibe, we've actually got the Molex plug that's going to go high-level input right into the amplifier, so you don't have to worry about running RCAs. And then because we're doing the T-harness behind the dash, we also catch all those speaker wires and bring everything right down to the amplifier. It's all labeled, all good to go. Then we, of course, have the extra RCAs that run over that sub-amp. Now, if it is amplified, a new piece that came to market at SEMA is our AX Amp series. So with the PPKT-2 for the 24 Jeep, this is the AX Amp CH8. So this is going to basically same thing, T-harness behind the radio, and it's going to give you 6 channels of 5-volt RMS or RCA audio output. So in that kit, you're going to get the RCAs to run down your amp traditionally. And of course, everything in these kits is all pre-cut wire for your power wire, your ground wires. And then with the kit here, we've got our new JP1020, our cut-in speaker covers, the old school JP1014 6-inch speaker pods. We got our 1-inch dome tweeters with our JP1017 speaker covers. You get 2 of the Jeep-specific amp racks. The DSP amp is a 6-channel amp, so each of the speakers have their own individual power channel. A 650x1 monoblock for your sub. Also new for the 24 is the JP1019 speaker adapter plates. What we've done is you have the ability to, in this case, we're using the 6-inch woofer and a 1-inch tweeter. If you just buy the plates by themselves, of course, you just do that up to 6 3/4. But what's great is it's got that factory mesh, and you still incorporate the factory map plate. And then the kit wouldn't be complete without a subwoofer, so we have a 12-inch sealed enclosure that you can either put into the cargo area or you can mount onto the tailgate of the truck. Now, when you step back a year, we get into the JP PPKT-3 and 4. Same deal if it's amplified or non-amplified. When it's non-amplified, you get, of course, that same harness that go in. If it is amplified, you get the CH5 in this case, your amplifier bypass harness, your T-harness behind the dash. All the same speaker equipment, but of course it changes because we have our different cutting grills and speaker adapter plates for the older Jeeps that have been long going on since the Wrangler came out. So this is what we're excited about at Metra. More projects like this are coming forward, and if you have some suggestions for us, hit us up online, metraonline.com.
And there you guys have it. Ali here at Knowledge Fest, bringing you the newest products coming out in 2025. Want to thank Shea. Just have one more question. You got a beautiful Cybertruck. Anything new going on here?
So this is one of our customers out west here. Unfortunately, it's not on. It's a little early right now, but we actually have one of our full ambient light kits in that truck right now. And they actually did. The company that's we're partnered with, PCA. They actually do custom enclosures. They have a one of a kind 210 enclosure with some Vibe subs in there. So maybe you can swing back by a little later and see when it's up and running.
All right, guys. Thank you, Shea, for everything. Ali here, guys, at Metra. Thank you for watching.